What is up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be installing something that's actually really crucial if you guys do go off-road. This is even for the pavement princesses that don't go off-road. Basically, what I have here today is going to be a screen protector for my actual radio. I know I've done something similar in the past. The one that I have here today is going to be a lot better quality. And the other cool thing about this one that I have here, it actually comes as a package. What I mean by that is it actually comes with the one for the instrument cluster as well. I know I've been getting a lot of comments on that last video asking if there is an instrument cluster screen protector, and there is, and basically it's right here. And then another cool thing that it comes with is actually for the shifter. There's a little screen on there, which I'll show you guys in a minute. It also comes in this package. So at the end of this video, if you guys do end up wanting to purchase this whole package here, it's going to be in the description box below. Let me go ahead and show you what comes inside, and then we'll get to the installation process. It's going to be super simple, and as I stated, this is probably something that you do want to really purchase, especially when you first buy your truck. That way it stays nice and clean for a long time. So now let's go ahead and get into the video, and I'll show you how it's done. I wanted to show you. So it does come as a package, and keep in mind they also make it for many other vehicles, so check them out. If you guys don't have a Tacoma, check it out. It's going to be in the description box below, and they all come as a cool package like this. Let me go ahead and open it up so I can show you what's inside. In the package, it's going to come with everything you actually need to do this installation. And you also want to make sure, of course, to choose the correct car when you guys are ordering this. For the Tacoma, of course, you're going to get the one for the instrument cluster, and you do get two of them. The reason why is just in case you mess one up, you can use the second one to actually install it correctly. You're also going to get the one for the radio, and same thing, it comes with two just in case you mess one up. So that's actually pretty awesome of them to even offer it that way. You're also going to get another one right here. It's a lot smaller, and it does come with two as well. This one is going to be the one for your shifter. It also comes with your own microfiber towel and a squeegee. It's also going to come with some baby solution. All you need to do is actually go ahead and purchase some distilled water, which you can get really cheap at any store, which I got mine at CVS. I poured it in, I shook it, and now it's ready to go. All right, so the first one we're going to be installing is the one going to be for the radio screen protector. The first step you're going to want to go ahead and do is, of course, get the solution that you already mixed. Mine is already done. Let's go ahead and give it a light touch, and we're going to clean off the screen. I'm going to go ahead and give it another light mist. And now you want to go ahead and get ready to actually install the screen protector. Right off the bat, I could already feel the difference in quality on this thing. It's nice. Once you've laid it down, go ahead and get your squeegee, and let's start from the middle out. Once you've laid it correctly, go ahead and give it a wipe. And there should be no air bubbles if you did this correctly. If you did mess it up, just remember you do have two of them, so you can redo this. And as you can tell, once it's installed properly, you're going to see no air bubbles. Now you just want to go ahead and let it dry. You can give it a wipe with the microfiber towel. Let's get on to the next. So now that we've done the radio screen protector, we're now left with, of course, the shifter, and then we're going to do the instrument cluster last, because that's the part that, of course, probably all of us want to do. So let's go ahead and spray this down. Same process. I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick wipe. Looks brand new. So keep in mind, this right here is probably something that you don't think of that will scratch, but if you guys do have an older Tacoma, go ahead and check yours out really quick, and you're going to see how scratched there really is. So of course, adding this is now going to protect it. Even if you do have small scratches, this will still help it in the long term. So let's go ahead and now get to the best part, which we've probably all been waiting for, which is the instrument cluster. Now the main part of this whole awesome installation overall, like I said, I really do like this company because they actually give it to you as a whole kit for the Tacomas. Everybody has been asking me if there is a company out there that makes it for the instrument cluster, a screen protector, of course. This is the one. So if you do want it, it's in the description box below. So let's go ahead and now do the same process. Let's go ahead and clean it off first. Give it a light mist. Now that you're satisfied with your cleaning job, let's go ahead and get ready to actually install the product. So let's go ahead and give it another light mist. Once you've given it the light mist, let's go ahead and now grab the product. Make sure you look exactly where it's going to be installed. There's a hole here, which is going to go for this. So let's open up the product. Give it some mist. So doing it this way is actually going to help you move it around once you install it. So that way when it dries up, it goes in properly. And you do kind of want to go heavy on the spray if it isn't moving. That way it allows you to move it around and you don't mess nothing up. So right now that I'm satisfied, I'm going to go ahead and now start laying it. I'm going to go half one side and then I'll do the other half. Let's do that now. You want to make sure to get the corners as well, just that way there's no air bubbles left over. Once it's done, go ahead and give it a wipe. So now it's nicely installed. Now you know that your actual instrument cluster is going to be really protected over all of those off-roading moments, or whenever this gets dusty and you grab a rag around it, you know your actual glass piece or plastic piece that is right here, it won't get scratched anymore. So it's going to keep it for a nice clean look for many years. Same thing with your radio screen, and same thing of course with your shifter right here. So it looks really good. If you do want it, like I said, check it out. It's in the description box below. All right, so I hope that helped you guys out. So for those that actually did want to purchase a screen protector for their instrument cluster, this is the company that makes it. This is actually really good quality. You guys will see. If you guys do end up purchasing it and you feel the material, you guys will see what I'm talking about. So it's pretty easy to install overall. As I stated, I like the quality personally. You guys can see it if you guys do purchase it yourselves. And I also like that this company ships it in a pretty good package, and it actually comes with the spray that you're going to need to install it. It's going to come with your squeegee. It's going to come, of course, with a microfiber towel, so you don't need to go out there and purchase your own. And as I stated, it also comes with multiples of each of the product, so that way if you mess one up, you got your second one. So that's pretty cool. Or if you don't end up messing anything up, like me, you can always give it to a friend. So that way both of you guys can be satisfied. So if you want it, it's going to be in the description box below. And make sure to stay tuned for Wednesday's upload. We're either going to go on the live stream or we're going to do a video. Not sure yet, but make sure to stay tuned because that's when we're going to be announcing the Tough Skins door sale giveaway winner. Stay tuned for that. If you guys did like today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace. A lot more better. The one that I have here, god damn it. Once you've given it the light mist, go ahead and what the heck is that? Did you get that in the video? I'm just kidding.